Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to open your Gmail account in Android phone. I am Tech Adnan with you to show this video. Your YouTube channel and Play Store is not possible to run without a Gmail account, and many of you buy a new mobile phone and need a new Gmail ID for run this mobile app for Play Store. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel to get update notification and stay with us. Before opening your Gmail account, first connect your data connection and Wi-Fi. You can open your Gmail account from your Play Store or setting user account. In this video, I will show you how to open your Gmail account from Play Store. To open your Gmail account, first go to Play Store. Then you will get like this interface and click sign in. And you will get like this interface and click create new, and here we'll see like this interface, and this Google suggests you this email account create for your personal use, for your child, or for your work or business. Here I will open my personal use Gmail account. Click personal use Gmail account. Okay, you will get like this interface, and here you enter your first name and last name. Write first name, last name Khan. Okay, then next, here you will get like this interface. Here you enter your basic information, first month, September, date 10, year 1991, then enter your gender, male. Okay, next, this is step for your username. You can enter your username as your wish. Here I am entering username Adnan Khan. Okay, then next, this username already have, so I am entering an Khan Adnan ABC 1 2 3. Next, this is very important step for creating password. To create password, you enter your password. Then next, here this step you can enter your mobile number. Then next, okay, this is your recovery mobile number. Okay, next, okay, your Gmail account is ready for your use. And then agree your term and condition. I agree. Okay, Google service continue your Gmail account. Okay, then Google service accept. Okay, your Google account is ready. Here check your Google account. Okay, Adnan Khan Adnan ABC 1 2 3 4 account ready for your use. You can use this account in your YouTube and Play Store. I hope this video will be help you to open your Google account in your phone. And till now, who subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to get update notification and stay with us.